Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the basics. Ensure the HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C cable is firmly connected and the monitor is powered. Once done, press the Dell Monitor OSD button or joystick to open the display menu so you can change size-related settings. Make sure the monitor input and the PC resolution match to avoid scaling conflicts. This is why you check the currently selected resolution and refresh rate first, because mismatches cause blurry or cropped images and prevent accurate size adjustments. Next, you change the resolution and scaling so the image fits correctly. On Windows, go to Start Setting System Display, then pick the monitor and choose its native resolution for clarity and a scale percent that matches your preference. If the desktop still looks cropped or has black borders, return to the monitor OSD and adjust aspect ratio, scaling, or overscan settings. These hardware controls correct any overscan from the source. Doing both OS and OSD changes ensures a precise, sharp display. Finally, you fine-tune position and sharpness to complete the adjustment. Use the OSD position and phase controls for pixel alignment and to remove any jitter. If settings conflict or the picture remains distorted, reset the monitor to factory defaults to clear custom values. Make sure to test another cable or port, and if needed, connect a second PC to isolate whether the monitor or computer causes the issue. This single troubleshooting step often reveals whether the problem is hardware or software related.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.